So, Module 6, deploying VM. Okay, in Azure. So, pure Azure tayo ngayon. Ano? So, first of all, you need to design. Okay, by design. Yesterday, ginawa natin isang jump box. Then, ang Active Directory should not be inside the jump box. Ideally, sa core. Okay? Any role should be separated from any Active Directory role. So, solo lang talaga yon, no? So, describe Azure Compute. So, meron tayong tinatawag, first of all, na hyper-converge and converge. Pag sinabi mong converge, ito yung combination of compute na memory and CPU resources. Okay? CPU. So, yun lang dalawang yun. What if you need to connect the virtual machine to the other virtual machine, di ba? Dito na papasok ang hyper-converge. Ang one example of converge is VMware hypervisor. Hyper-V ng Microsoft, Citrix and server. Converge yun. Ang hyper-converge naman, ito bago lang ano. I've been supporting this technology for the last 4 years. Nutanix. Nakarinig na ba kayo Nutanix? Hyper-converge yan. No, bibilib kayo dito. Actually, na-migrate na namin yung 5,000 virtual machine from VMware to Nutanix Center 2. Tawag namin Azure on NC2. NC2 siya, Nutanix, pero nasa Azure, nasa cloud. Seamless. We did not install agent. May install kaming konting, walang agent. Migrate kagad sa cloud. Galing ha. Yung iba, VMware kasi you need to install VM tools, di ba? To work properly. Ito wala na. Whatever provision in a VMware VMX format was migrated seamlessly to the cloud using Nutanix. Nutanix, napakalaki nito, no? Pero it's a simple one U server or 2U server. Ganun lang kanipis. No? You can have at least 10 terabyte of the storage kagad. So in one U, in one hardware, ando na yung storage component din. Okay, sa VMware kasi kailangan pa ng Dell EMC, bibili ka pa nun eh. Kailangan pa ng Cisco UCS for the compute power para gamitin lang CPU and memory pero walang storage, di ba? Bibili ka pa ng Cisco Nexus switch to route yung data, no? Tapos bibili ka pa rin ng Fabric interconnect to route naman yung mga virtual machine. Kagandahan sa Nutanix NC2, meron siyang replication factor 2. 1:1. Yung isang VM can be copied. Makokopya ka agad. Pag nag-down isa, the user doesn't know kung namatay talaga yung VM niya. Talagang replica, mirror. Ang galing ng Nutanix. So, hyperconverged siya, meaning combination of all. Meron na siyang sariling switch. Storage na rin siya. Then, parang siyang VMware. Meron din siyang hypervisor. It's called AOS. Okay? Ang kagandahan dito, pwede mo pa ilagay sa cloud. So kami, we have co-located our data center all over the world. Dami namin data center. Hawak ko lang ko sa Asia Pacific. I'm handling Australia, 2 data center, Sydney and North Sydney. Nagre-replicate ng 2 sites na yon. And then, yung isa naman sa Hong Kong, no, 2 sites din yun, 2 data center. And then lastly, sa Japan, 3 data center. Na-migrate na namin, pure cloud na kami ngayon. Ang natitira na lang is America. Okay? Hindi ko pala pwedeng sabihin yun eh.